Scholars, welcome to Building Dreams. My name is Taylor and I work for Fight for Life, the nonprofit organization founded by Marlon Jackson, a former player for the Indianapolis Colts. You'll be using Building Dreams throughout this school year, and I'm excited to show you what it has to offer. Within this platform, you'll be able to check in every morning, you'll be able to manage your emotions, earn points, track your behavior, set goals, earn field trips, and watch engaging social emotional learning videos. Before we dive into all the cool things that you can do on Building Dreams, what is social emotional learning? Social emotional learning is about understanding and managing your emotions. It's about building strong relationships and making good choices in your daily life. It helps you develop skills that can improve how you interact with others and handle challenges. All right, let's get into these key features so you can master Building Dreams like a pro. To log in, your teacher may give you a QR code specific to you that you can scan using your device that you're on using the camera feature. If you don't have your QR code, make sure that you're on the Student tab, enter your teacher's email address, and then your password, which is your student ID or STN number. If you're unsure of what this is, just ask your teacher. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your page. To the left is going to be your name and your avatar. If you'd like to change your avatar, click Change Avatar, and you can choose one that feels best for you. If you don't see one that resembles you or represents you very well, you can hit the plus sign and add your own photo. Let's talk about navigating your page. This is your page like we mentioned earlier, and at the top you can see that we're here. You can also access your social feed, my classmates, self-assessments, my plans, resources, and my workbooks. Up at the top right hand, there's a little bell, and if this is ever red, you'll be able to see new announcements that are posted from your teacher, your school principal, or sometimes even us here at Fight for Life. Below that, you'll see My To-Dos. This is going to be your to-do list of things that you still need to complete. Below that is going to be your game board. This is going to show you how many points you have based on positive or negative classroom teacher actions. Below that is going to be your activity. So when teachers do give you extra points, first downs, sacks, this is going to show up here. You can see the date, the time, and why you received those classroom actions. Your guardians, if they're onboarded to the platform, will also be able to see these as well. To understand your points and activity page, it'll be important that you understand the football themed terminology that's used on the platform. These can be given by any staff or teacher in the school building. So, as the student, you can receive a first down, which is a positively recognized core value. This means that you're following expectations and you're doing what your teacher asks you to do. Extra points are also positive, but these are more above and beyond behaviors that are character traits. So maybe someone made a mess in the cafeteria and you decided to be a good friend and help clean it up, even though it wasn't your mess. This is something that you could do to get an extra point. Sacks and red zones are negative behaviors. So sacks means that you are not following the classroom expectations or school expectations that have been set. A red zone means that is going to escalate to an office referral where a support staff member or principal may need to intervene. Flags are the last classroom action that can be thrown, and these are recognized for concerning circumstances, and we'll get more into that in just a second. What's really cool is that you're able to actually throw extra points for your classmates along with flags, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you go to the top where it says My Classmates, you'll be able to see all the classmates in your room. If I want to give Indiana an extra point, I'll go to her name, click Actions, and extra point. I really love the way that Indiana worked with me during a project, so I'm going to give her an extra point for teamwork. And now Indiana will receive that extra point. Flags, on the other hand, are more concerning responses. So maybe you're worried about yourself or you're worried about a friend. You may throw a flag for yourself by clicking Actions, Flag, and it'll give you a few reasons that you would want to alert an adult about something. You type in any additional notes that you want the trusted adult to know, and then click Submit. If you'd like to throw a flag for a friend that you could possibly be worried about, you can go to their profile, click Actions, Flag, and then type the reason. An example would say, ouch, this kid is hurt or will get hurt. Maybe you heard that someone's going to get hurt on the playground today. This is something where you can enter any additional information and inform your teacher. The next feature is the social feed, and you can access that by the tabs at the very top where it says social feed. This is a secure social media for just you and your classmates and teacher. Your teacher can post on here, and so can you and your classmates. You can click New Post, and you can write something about your weekend or something that you're thinking. You can add photos and videos, and then click Post. Keep in mind this does go to an approval queue for your teacher to make sure that it's appropriate for the social feed. Now I'm going to show you how to check in. This is a feature that will pop up every single day under your to-dos because you should be checking in every morning when you arrive at school. You can access it here and click Begin, or you can go to Self-Assessments and click Check-in. When you begin, it's going to give you a series of questions to explore your attitudes, feelings, and emotions before the start of the day. These questions you can thumbs up, thumbs down, or I'm not comfortable answering this. It'll also give you the option to type any additional information that you would like your teacher to know. It allows you to set some goals for your behaviors, and then it scales your emotions and your stress. This stress scale allows you to assess how you're feeling. So if you are feeling pretty comfortable for the day, you can select 0 through 3. If you're feeling a little elevated, maybe you're agitated or upset over something, you can select 4 through 6. If you're highly elevated and really upset or really angry and you cannot manage your stress, you'll want to select 7 through 10. If you'd like to dive deeper into our emotional exploration, you can choose to do so, click No, or do it later. If you'd like to do it later, that's going to be in your assessments, at self-assessment, and emotional exploration. The emotional exploration helps you dive deeper into those feelings and really helps you understand why you're feeling that way. You can see we've toggled over to My Plans. This is where you can create plans to solve problems or set some goals. Now we're going to click Resources and SEL Resources so it can bring us to our Social Emotional Learning video library. This is going to have multiple topics and multiple videos that you can choose from to watch. The other tab under Resources is Training Resources. If you click Training Resources, it'll bring you to a list of different links that you can look at, and these are going to link you to different videos to help understand the website a little bit better. Thanks so much for learning how to navigate building dreams with me. If you have any other questions, just ask your teacher. Have a great school year and make today great.